Enter at your own peril.
Once upon a time. I'm not the one who's run out of magic dust. That'd be you, Grandpa.
Hi, I'm new here at Dark Oak. My name is Tyler. What's yours?
Standing by, awaiting new orders. Attention, everyone. Places, please.
She heard a strange sound coming from the bushes behind her. Munch, munch, crunch. I love it.
Oliver, you are full of surprises. Talking magical horse? How quaint. Decrucify Hannah Montana or I'll melt your face.
I am brilliant. I am unique. I wish I could feel like that about my light, Kiri, but I don't.
Sun Dragon, fire.
Team Frank, form Mecha Jew Force 1. Go!
A sad thing it would be indeed.
Tell me, Fräulein, where is Dr. Frankenstein's formula? Ha ha! Hi, kids. You look delicious.
Or your holiday season might be a bust. Welcome to hunting season.